Our meteorologist Sarah Blue is tracking Milton for us. So what is the latest at noon?
Well, we just got an update 3 minutes ago, Dana, and we're still seeing it as a Category 4 storm. Right now, we are getting a little bit of a glitch in our satellite data. That's what the pink is that you're seeing, but we're still getting accurate information. Right now, it's still a Category 4 storm moving at 145 miles per hour. That's our wind gust. It's set to make landfall in less than 24 hours. That's going to be late tonight into early tomorrow morning. It's going to continue to trek across the Florida peninsula and move offshore. Now, this is going to maintain hurricane status, but we are already starting to see some of the impacts from that. As that storm moves inland, we're going to see very high storm surges. This could be record-breaking for some areas. Now, we've started to see the peak storm surge shift south. Now it's impacting Sarasota back to Fort Myers. Before, we thought it was going to Tampa, but still, all across the western peninsula will be at risk for dangerous storm surges, as well as tornadoes. We've already seen a tornado warning go in effect for all the highlighted areas in Florida, and all of the peninsula is under some sort of tropical storm or hurricane warning as these storms are moving through. I'm going to take you a live look outside at Anna Maria, Florida. That is just south of Tampa and north of Sarasota. You can see the camera shaking, the dangerously rough waters out there. A little bit earlier, I was seeing horizontal rain from all of the wind. Now, we're already seeing the impacts as this starts to move inland. Tornado warnings have been going up across the southern part of the peninsula. You can see them still out there right now, but we will continue to monitor this and bring you the latest here on CBS 19 on air and online.